NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft has resumed operations after engineers resolved a computer issue from an incredible distance of 15 billion miles. Voyager 2, one of humanity's most remarkable feats, has been navigating the vast and mysterious expanse of deep space for more than 40 years. Launched by NASA in 1977, its mission was to explore the outer planets and venture beyond the familiar confines of our solar system. For 4 decades, Voyager 2 has transmitted extraordinary data, providing unparalleled insights into the outer planets, their moons, and the surrounding cosmic environment. However, in recent times the spacecraft has been sending information that has left scientists both intrigued and unsettled. It seems that Voyager 2 may have encountered something unknown, a force or phenomenon that has yet to be fully understood, raising new questions about the nature of space and the mysterious forces that govern the universe beyond the familiar scope of Earth's orbit. This encounter occurred as Voyager 2 traversed interstellar space, a region beyond the heliosphere, the boundary where the solar wind from our Sun gives way to the interstellar medium. After exiting the Sun's protective bubble, the spacecraft began interacting with particles and fields that belong to the cosmic sea between stars. As expected, Voyager 2 continued transmitting data on particle density, magnetic fields, and cosmic rays, but suddenly something anomalous occurred. The instruments on board began detecting a series of unusual fluctuations, perturbations in the magnetic field, and energy readings that could not be easily explained by known cosmic forces or particles. What makes this event particularly perplexing is that Voyager 2, a relatively simple and robust machine built in the 1970s, has proven highly reliable over vast distances and in regions where human presence is impossible. Yet the strange signals it encountered in deep space seem to deviate from the normal patterns that have been observed for decades. The readings hinted at an unknown force or entity interacting with the spacecraft, influencing the data being sent back to Earth. These anomalies are unlike anything previously recorded by Voyager 2 or its twin Voyager 1, which has also entered interstellar space but did not experience similar disturbances. The first and most logical hypothesis researchers explored was whether the anomaly could be attributed to malfunctions or errors in the spacecraft's instrumentation. After all, Voyager 2 is an aging spacecraft operating in conditions far beyond what it was designed to withstand. Radiation, temperature fluctuations, and the sheer age of its components could lead to unexpected errors. However, after thorough checks and comparisons with previous data from Voyager 1 and other space missions, it was determined that the spacecraft systems were functioning normally. There were no malfunctions in its communication systems, and the instruments appeared to be correctly calibrated. This ruled out the simplest explanations, leaving scientists to speculate about what could be causing these strange readings. One theory proposed by some researchers is that Voyager 2 may have encountered dark matter or a previously unknown form of energy. Dark matter, which is believed to account for about 85% of the universe's matter, has never been directly observed, and its properties remain largely theoretical. If Voyager 2 passed through a region of space where dark matter is more concentrated or interacts differently with physical objects, it could explain the strange forces detected by the spacecraft. While this theory is speculative, it represents one of the more exciting possibilities. Voyager 2 might be providing the first direct evidence of dark matter interaction. Another possible explanation is that the spacecraft has encountered an unknown type of magnetic or gravitational field. Interstellar space is not entirely empty. It is filled with magnetic fields, cosmic rays, and other forms of radiation. These forces, though faint, can be measured by sensitive instruments. If Voyager 2 stumbled upon a region where magnetic fields are behaving in unexpected ways or interacting with a gravitational anomaly, it could explain the unusual readings. Some scientists have suggested that Voyager 2 may have passed near a cosmic structure or object we have never seen before, such as a rogue planet, a black hole, or even a form of exotic matter not yet understood by modern physics. Beyond the physical explanations, the idea that Voyager 2 has encountered an unknown force raises philosophical and existential questions about the nature of the universe. For centuries, humanity has believed in a universe governed by predictable physical laws, gradually uncovering the mysteries of space through observation and experimentation. However, this encounter suggests there are vast uncharted realms of knowledge beyond our current understanding. Could there be forces or entities operating on principles entirely different from those we know? Voyager 2's strange experience challenges the assumption that we have a firm grasp on how the cosmos works, suggesting that the universe may be far more complex and mysterious than we ever imagined. If this encounter represents a fundamental shift in our understanding of the universe, it could spur a new era of scientific exploration, prompting us to rethink the fundamental laws of physics. It might lead to new theories about the nature of spacetime, energy, and matter, and inspire future missions to study unknown regions of space. This event echoes the original Voyager mission spirit to push the boundaries of what we know and seek answers to questions once thought beyond our reach. Now, more than 40 years after its launch, Voyager 2 may be leading us into a new frontier of scientific discovery, one that challenges our very understanding of reality. Moreover, the encounter with an unknown force taps into humanity's deepest curiosities and fears about space. Since ancient times, space has been viewed as a source of both awe and mystery. In ancient cultures, it was the realm of gods and mythologies, a vast unknown that inspired wonder and fear. While modern science has provided us with a clearer understanding of the cosmos, the idea that Voyager 2, a machine built by human hands, could encounter something utterly alien in deep space rekindles that sense of cosmic wonder that has driven human exploration for millennia. The possibility of extraterrestrial intelligence or some form of consciousness existing in the vast stretches of space also cannot be dismissed outright. While there is no direct evidence to suggest that Voyager 2's anomaly is linked to intelligent life, the prospect is tantalizing. The vastness of space combined with the relatively small portion of the universe we've explored leaves the door open to countless unknown phenomena. Could it be that Voyager 2 has brushed against the influence of something sentient, something watching and perhaps even attempting to communicate in a way we cannot yet comprehend? This question lingers in the minds of scientists and the public alike, reminding us of how little we still know about the cosmos. If nothing else, the encounter with this unknown force reinforces the idea that space exploration is an ongoing journey of discovery. Just as early explorers on Earth charted the oceans and discovered new lands, humanity's exploration of space is still in its infancy. We've mapped parts of our solar system, glimpsed distant galaxies, and detected gravitational waves from cosmic collisions, but there is still much more to uncover. Voyager 2's mysterious encounter is a reminder that the universe is not just a passive backdrop but a dynamic, ever-changing environment that continues to surprise us. This sense of wonder is further heightened by the fact that Voyager 2, a spacecraft designed with relatively primitive technology by today's standards, has managed to survive and send data from such remote regions of space. It stands as a testament to human ingenuity and curiosity. As Voyager 2 continues its journey through the cosmos, it symbolizes the persistence of human exploration. Its encounter with the unknown is not just a scientific anomaly, it is a symbol of the boundless potential of human endeavor. No matter how advanced our technology becomes, there will always be mysteries to solve and new horizons to explore. In many ways, Voyager 2's experience represents the unknown meeting the unknown. On one side, we have the vast, incomprehensible universe with its hidden forces and unexplored territories. On the other, we have a tiny probe sent from a small planet on a mission to learn as much as it can before its power runs out. Somewhere in the vastness of space, these two forces have intersected, leading to a mystery that will likely take years, if not decades, to unravel. Whether this encounter signals a fundamental shift in our understanding of the universe or is merely a momentary anomaly in the data stream, it serves as a reminder of the complexities of space and the limits of our current knowledge. To appreciate the magnitude of this event, it is essential to understand what interstellar space is. Unlike the planets and familiar stretches within our solar system, interstellar space lies between star systems. It is vast, cold, and largely devoid of matter, although not entirely empty. This region contains cosmic rays, dust, and magnetic fields originating from stars, but its structure and content are still not fully understood. When Voyager 2 crossed into this space, it became one of the first human-made objects to leave the Sun's solar wind influence and enter this new environment. Scientists expected it to encounter new particles, magnetic fields, and even some unanticipated phenomena, but the data it sent back pointed to something far more intriguing and less explainable than anyone had predicted. This deep space region is governed by forces that differ from those found within our solar system. The heliosphere, which encompasses our solar system, acts as a shield from much of the cosmic radiation and particles bombarding interstellar space. Once Voyager 2 passed beyond the heliosphere, it began measuring these unfiltered forces for the first time. Scientists eagerly awaited information about this largely unknown region, expecting to learn about the density of interstellar plasma, the intensity of cosmic rays, and the structure of galactic magnetic fields. What they didn't expect was for the spacecraft to send back signals indicating the presence of something entirely new and unfamiliar. The first clues that Voyager 2 had encountered something unusual came in the form of disruptions in its magnetic field readings. Normally the spacecraft detects weak magnetic fields from the interstellar medium particles and gases that fill the space between stars. These fields fluctuate predictably based on what we know from Earth-based observations and theoretical models. However, the readings from Voyager 2 showed spikes and drops in magnetic intensity that did not conform to any known pattern. Similarly, its instruments measuring plasma and cosmic rays detected anomalous behavior, particles moving in unexpected directions or at unusual speeds far beyond what was considered normal.